Sunlight is peeking through. The curtains gently stroking my spine, like someone is standing next to me, patting my right shoulder, but is it fine? It's a very old friend, a feeling of nostalgia coming over me. I once lived the experience of not being alone again, yet here I am, sitting in my chair, gazing at the past, lingering beside the curtains. But the sun shines in the present, presenting a different shade of tenderness, inviting me to get outside. Once I left my shell of former self, outside the rays are playing with the grass, twinkling delight, yellow, soft, so good awakening, and the flowers smiling upon a tapestry of grass, so soft. It is like coming home in oneself, grounding, connecting with nature. Then a dog barks, shooting shards of white flints, me retracting my shell again. How the sense of self can be deformed? How? To contain world's ways as well. A dog barks, a bloke shouts, retain yourself. Don't bow to the older differences, doing more harm, and reside in the here and now, opening up without losing your authenticity. The blades of grass, a shadow cast upon them, but still present, standing next to me, protecting me to those who are vacant for reason. I am the reason. Slowly but steadily, the rays came back. The grass blades, the cherry blossoms, the trees. Nature talks connection. This shade of love is universal. To contain, to retain, to share.